What's up, YouTube? So, I'm about to actually head to my dad's job to pick up the Saleen because he got to work over. So, we was gonna bring the car to his house, but now I gotta go get it. We gotta swap cars so I can do his rotors. These rotors are bad. They're like making noise. And I think his brakes are bad because they producing a lot of brake dust on his rims. I'll show y'all when I get there. But you already know. If you ain't subscribed to the channel, subscribe, like, and comment. Let's go. Alright, YouTube, so we have made it to my dad's job and I'm in the Saleen. So I probably haven't showed y'all this yet, but the new radio is installed. And all the little pieces are installed. This used to be black, now it's white, and everything works. We had to buy a new radio and new door speakers. But this is that. So now I'm about to head to my parents' house and get to these rotors. Alright, YouTube, so we're about to start on these calibers and then rotors. It's a 14mm wrench. I actually don't know. I do know what I'm doing because I did my rotors, but I never did a Mustang. So this will be my second time doing rotors and calibers. But I mean, it's about the same thing. Take the caliber off, then take the bracket off, then the rotors. So let's get into it. His are way easier than mine because these are brand new calibers. He replaced the back calibers, the whole caliber. So let's snap these bolts. Probably gonna need to get that block again from the other video when I did mine. So let me go ahead and get that. So I got the block, so I can set the caliber on the block, so they just don't be dangling. That's one bolt. You can tell these brand new calibers because those bolts look brand new. I'll make sure I clean up all this stuff while I'm down here, because we like to do stuff like that. Make sure it's clean. Hopefully this ain't in the way. You know, people like to do dumb stuff and have stuff in the way. I think I should get some. I did that though. Yeah. Wow. Just holding it up. Ain't nothing. Oh, now I see why. It bad brake, but I mean, yeah, the ones behind are gone. That's why. Wow. I say gone, they're gone. Wow. That's why he getting so much brake dust. Well, we would have never knew that. Hopefully nothing is wrong with the caliber itself. But it just looked like it got a lot of brake dust from... Yeah, it just looked like it got a lot of brake dust. Man. Well, Now we know what his problem was. So, let's try to finish this up. Wish I had a wrench that'll fit that. I think it's size 15 to fit the bracket. But I don't have that because we're careless with tools. So, I think I got a socket. Yeah, I got a socket. Which the socket should fit in there. But make sure that bolt stays in there. Got a ratchet. I love using ratchets. So, whew. That's the top bolt for the caliper bracket. Now we just got to work on the bottom. So I got to stretch this line, this brake line. Start on the bottom one. Alright, that one loose. As you can see, it's trying to fall. Wow, it's a build-up of something back here. Probably see when I take it off. Yep, it's a build-up. Probably brake dust. Like, y'all probably see when it fall off the caliper. I mean, not the caliper, the rotor. Yep, it's a build-up. Now I kind of told him it was his brakes and it's starting to rain. Oh well. Oh well. That's the bottom bolt. This is the last bolt of the bracket. Let's break it off. He don't have pins to hold it in like that, so probably just knock off. Cause I like to look at things before I pull it off, and the rotor just slides off of this, which I didn't know because I ain't never worked on this car or looked up a video. I just looked up a video, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to hit it with a hammer because as y'all see, these things probably never came out the car, so I'm probably gonna hit it hard. But let me put the phone back in the position it was in so y'all can see. All right, so now we're about to hit it with a hammer. Coming or not. All right, YouTube. So first I beat the front of it because it's so freaking old. But now it should come off. Cause it loosened up some. I just gotta work it from one side to the other side. Oh, these things been on there a long time. So let me show y'all what I was telling y'all about the brake dust. I'm gonna have to flip the camera. So this is the builder I was telling y'all about. I'm pretty sure that came from the back brake. And it was just bare metal. And it was just, you know, whatever made inside the brake created this. So I'm gonna clean all this up and then put the new, this is a new rotor, slider rotors. Put this on there and then put everything back together. Well, compress the brakes and then put everything back together. All right, so now I'm about to knock all this brake dust off. Or try to knock it off. Yeah. Probably need something to knock it out with. Spray it with some brake cleaner. Alright, YouTube, so we're about to put the new rotor on. The new slider rotor. Woo! Right. That's gonna look way better. And then now the back will finally match the front. So let's get all this tightened up. Yeah. Okay. I'm just so backwards. So I want to put this in there first, then put the brakes in there. I'm pretty sure that's how it goes. Big bolts. Goes back in there. Just noticed. This one up. It's a whole boat, I tell you. I hate when the thing flip on the rack. Like it just did again. Back. Tight on the bracket. Alright, so now we got the bracket tight. Brakes. Brand new brakes, because he need them. This way. This is a weird shaped brake, I tell you that. Like, look at the little ends on it. That is so weird. Oh well. those in there. And I got a tool from my friend. In my last video, I did not have a tool. Where's the tool? Let me find the tool. First. It's on the other side of the car. I want to see. First, I gotta find it. Maybe it's in there. Okay, so this is the little tool that my friend gave me. So take this off. Hopefully I can do this. You find your pattern for your brakes to twist them, which I think this is the pattern right here. Yep. But you have to push in and twist at the same time. I never used this tool before, so bear with me, people. Alright, YouTube, so as y'all seen, the rotor's sitting on there. Gotta get the bracket back on there. I took the bracket off so that I could try to press the brakes in. This is a little tool my friend gave me, which it probably would have worked if I had another person to hold the caliper while I turn it and push at the same time. But I'm gonna just go get the right tool. I should have just kept the tool when I had it, well, when my mom bought it. So let me go get the right tool and get these brakes compressed, put them back on, tighten everything back up, put the rims on, and that'll be the end of the video. Right, let's go get this tool. Alright, YouTube, so I got the brake compressed, or the caliper compressed. This little tool set. It's called a disc brake caliper tool set. It was like $60 from AutoZone. I got that done, so let me grab the rotor. That's on the other side. Rotor. Rotor on there. Rotor's on there. Trash bag just down the way. So, rotor's on there. Let's put bracket back on there. Back on there. Top bolt. And then bottom bolt. Bolt going in, bring these up. lock on this tight. And let's put the brakes on there. See, some people have a problem with putting their brakes in there, but these are brand new brake calibers, so they're not that hard. Okay, just sit in the slot. And let's put the caliper back on there. Let's see, no. Alright. It's pretty tight to put on there. Might gotta press it in just a little bit more. We got like a smaller edge. So I'm pressing it in just a little bit more. And then I put them on there. Alright, YouTube, when I tell you today, boy, today has been a day. I got the rotors on, I got the brakes on, and I got the new caliber bracket on with the new, what they call guide pins. Because the old ones was seized up. So I had to go buy a whole new bracket, caliber bracket. Gotta go buy some brand new guide pins. When I say it has been one day, cause it like, and then when I got the bracket, I asked the dude, like he gave me one bracket without the bushings in there, and he was like, they don't come with bushings. So I was calling around, trying to find the bushings. They didn't have the bushing. So I came to my parents' house and I looked in one of the boxes. 10 more 2 of the bushings in there. So clearly you gave me one without bushings and then the other one with bushings. But you said they didn't come with bushings. I can't stand auto part people because they don't know what they be talking about. But this is the new one, slotted. Both sides are done. This is the old one. It been sitting in rain now, so it been raining today. Been trying to get this done all day. That side is done. Excuse my mess. This side is done. I have to clean that shop. I need to do the other one. Or spring, my bad. I need to do the other one. But both sides are done. And I gotta put the rims back on, but y'all seen the rims. And that's the back side. The other one's kind of bad too. Well, it wasn't that bad. But y'all get the picture. But your boy is tired. I cut my finger, leaking blood. My mom put a band-aid on it. It's so tight, I took it off. But whew, your boy is tired. So I test drove the car. Everything works good. Nothing's wrong. This is what the sliding rotors on there. My dad still had to clean this rim. I wasn't doing it after all this work I done did on this car. But no squeaking, none of that. Second, well, this is my first time doing caliber bracket and guide pins. This is my first time doing that. My second time doing rotors. But y'all already know we out of here, YouTube. Look at my baby over there. But we out of here.